Did you ever wish you could have a cinema experience at home without the big price tag or complicated setup? Well, guess what? JMGO sent their new mini triple laser projector N1S SE, and I think it might just change the way you watch movies at home. Want to have a view that's as sharp as my honest opinion? Well, you're in luck, because today's video is brought to you by JMGO. They've been innovating in the smart projector industry since 2011. Known for their premium audio-visual technology, JMGO's projectors are among the first to feature official Netflix and Google TV integration, along with their in-house developed Mach 2.0 triple laser optics for an even better color accuracy and brightness. Let's see how all of this plays out in the new N1S SE. The first thing I noticed when unboxing was how thoughtful the packaging was. It's got a sturdy foam insert that doubles as a case. Now, how many projectors come with a carry case like that? Not many. In the box I found the projector itself, the power cable and this handy remote, which I'll get into in just a minute. Now, setting up the JMGO is incredibly straightforward. It's as simple as plugging it in, pointing it at the wall, and boom, you're off to the races. The automatic focus and keystone correction make sure the image is crystal clear. It runs on Google TV, which means all my apps and settings are synced when I logged in. Super convenient. Plus the remote has Google Assistant, so I just said open Netflix and boom, it was there. Alright, now that it's set up, let's talk what it's like to actually use this thing. I was honestly shocked at how small and light this thing is. It's just over 18 centimeters wide and weighs only 2 kilograms. It's also easy to carry around, and the ultra-thin gimbal lets you tilt the image up to 135 degrees. Super flexible. It's perfect if you want to change up where you're watching without moving the whole thing around. The N1S SE comes with some pretty cool features, like the integrated gimbal design, which allows the projector to automatically adjust for perfect alignment. Plus you get access to over 10,000 apps via Google TV, including streaming giants like Netflix. You can even control it with voice commands, making it super convenient. The Google TV operating system is super smooth, with a user-friendly interface that makes navigation a breeze. The remote control is intuitive and it's easy to adjust the settings like picture modes, sound levels and more. The Mach 2.0 triple laser optics truly shine here, offering rich, vibrant colors, and I can already tell that the image is sharp. No pixelation here. Let's check it out in action. As mentioned before, this projector uses triple laser technology, and it's more than just a buzzword. The colors pop with a richness I haven't seen from other projectors in this size and price range. The brightness is fantastic. It even handles my weird white walls pretty well, though of course a proper screen would give you even better results. But here's the kicker. JMGO's special laser engine reduces laser speckles, so you get a crystal clear, smooth image. Let's do a quick brightness test. Here's a quick comparison to see how it performs in both daylight and nighttime settings. Thanks to the triple laser tag, the image stays bright and vibrant, even during the day. That said, like most projectors, it truly shines in a darker environment. But hey, you saw the difference for yourself. Next up, gaming performance. If you're into gaming, you'll be pleased to know that it handles motion well, even though it's not designed for high-speed competitive gaming. And finally, the sound. For a projector this small, the speakers are impressive. It's got two 5-watt speakers, and they get loud enough for a movie night. And of course it supports DTS and Dolby Audio, so it matches your sharp visuals with rich audio. Whether you're watching movies or listening to music, the sound is impressive for a projector of this size. Let's wrap this up with the price. The JMGO is priced at 799 euros right now, which is a steal for a projector with this kind of tech and portability. It's a bit of a game changer for home theater setups, especially if you're looking for something that's compact yet powerful. On top of that, it offers great picture quality, a good audio system, and it's easy to set up. All packed into a sleek, modern, compact, portable design. If you're in the market for a projector that delivers a premium experience without breaking the bank, this one should definitely be on your radar. And if you're into streaming, the built-in Google TV and Netflix make it a no-brainer. All in all, it's a rare find something this compact with such a premium feel. Before I suggest the next video to watch, go check out the link in the video's description to see if there's any discount available. Now that you know this important piece of information, go watch this video over here. It's my favorite all-time smart home gadget. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, you learned something. If you did so, please give it a like and consider subscribing so that I see you in the next one.